recording it.
We can get this one. This Mercedes-Benz wasn't going through that one.
Keep, man.
We should,
Take right straight.
all flooding, bro. Look at this car. We have to go do some flooding photos, bro.
We are on Blackburn Road and we have crossed Wellington Road and on the way to Princess Highway, and this is how the roads look like. It's all chaotic.
You're gonna be on the internet, bro.
This is where we used to play cricket.
Now we do swimming lessons.
And all the chicks have gone indoors.
There's a Ford sitting. Oh!
That's just a Ford, man. It's all floating on the water.
This is shocking, bro. And how lucky have we been it's been on the other side of the fucking road. This cunt's gonna float that Ford away when he goes through it.
And I don't have to spend money to wash my car.
You wanna hold? That little girl gets hit by the tidal wave, she'll go completely. That little car.
You know what? We should have it like that and keep on rolling the thing until we reach my place. We should tell something like, first time in the history of world cinemas we are releasing this flood. Watch it first
On Anand NN. Anand NN. I wonder if you can get it just flowing over the road there. It's pretty shocking, man.
And for your information, this is worse than Queensland flood.
For your information, this is about the 7th of the amount of water that Queensland had.
I think we should stop it.
Yeah, you're going to waste it.